what is the law of assumption and how to actually use it to manifest all your desires. I know that there are a lot of manifestation coaches out there who are talking about the law of assumption and tell you that the moment you create an assumption, you will manifest your desire. But not a lot of people are telling you how to actually make a thought or your desire an assumption and how to actually implement the law. Nobody is even telling you, most of the people are not telling you how the law actually works. So today, let me tell you what the law is, how it actually works, like what is the method with which this law works, because when people do not know why the law works, it feels like it is something elusive. It is something that only a selected few people have been able to do, and it is a hit and miss. But the law of assumption is not a hit and miss, it works 100% of the time. So, I'm going to share with you the process that actually makes the law of assumption a law because it works 100% of the time, and how you can start creating assumptions that will help you manifest your desires. So, hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar, and if you're new to my channel, I make manifestation easy for you so that you can go ahead and manifest the life you desire. If you want me to personally help you and guide you manifest all your desires, there are details of my email packages and even the newly introduced month-long guidance package in the description box. Check them out and let's talk. So, what is the law of assumption? Law of assumption is one of the terms coined by Neville Goddard, where he says that once you make an assumption about something, that something, that situation, that person, that desire does not have any other choice but to manifest in your life. So basically, the life that you are living right now is a result of all the assumptions about everything: money, people, love, relationships, career, business, health, studies, no matter what area of your life, everything is running based on your assumption regarding that subject. And you have an assumption regarding every subject: money, love, career, health, everything, right? So basically, you create your own circumstances, which is why we say that your circumstances do not matter because you have created them through your assumptions. So now that you know this, what can we do to create an assumption and how does this law actually work? So the law of assumption, why does it work? The reason is this: an assumption is created through repetition of a thought, right? And when you repeat a thought so many times that your brain, most likely your subconscious brain, starts to know this thing, this thought by belief. So let's say till now in your life, let's take the money example and then I'll take the love example. So let's say you are struggling with money. You, in your subconscious, have an assumption which goes, I'm bad with money, I struggle with money, everybody in my family struggles with money, money is hard to come by, it is difficult. And these sort of things, money is difficult to make, you need to work at a job to make money, making money is hard. These ideas are extremely prevalent in our society. You know, if you go out for a walk, you will find random people saying this wrong stuff about money. And when you hear something so many times, you start believing it to be real. You start thinking again and again and again because of your repeated experiences with this thought about money, that money is hard, with repetition, the first day when you hear money is hard, it doesn't make an impact. But when you keep hearing that money is hard, and then when you look at your family members and you see them struggling and fighting over money, you slowly, through repeatedly seeing and hearing these thoughts and these visuals about money, start to believe that money is hard. And now in your own life, money has become hard. Similarly, with an SP, we constantly, this is why I so do not like random, spending time on social media, because if you go ahead and start scrolling social media, there will be idiotic people who are constantly spouting nonsense like high value men do not exist, or high value women do not exist, or that women are gold diggers and men do not give a fuck. And when you consistently hear these things from everyone, your friends, your family, you see relationships in your family not working out. If there has been a divorce in your family, it's even worse. You start thinking that the right kind of love does not exist, and then you have to fight for it, you have to struggle for it, you have to prove your worth to get your love, or you won't get it, and you have to compromise in a wedding, right? You have to compromise. You cannot get your ideal guy, so compromise with whatever you have, or you cannot have your ideal girl, so compromise with whatever you have. And when you think about these ideas, you see these ideas running rampant in the whole society again and again. Again, through repetition, you form an assumption. So now, knowing that repetition causes an assumption, what can you do to start creating the life of your dreams? The key lies in the term repetition. It's only because you repeated a negative thought again and again and again that it became an assumption, which is now creating your current 3D circumstances. So, what do? Let's say you want to improve your money situation. Take a new, and just because I'm taking the money example here does not mean that doesn't apply to other situations. It applies to every situation. I will give you ample examples, right? So, let's start with money. I'm going to talk about grades. I'm going to talk about SP. I'm going to talk about health. I'm going to talk about physical changes as well, right? Because recently I started affirming that I have clear skin, and my skin did clear up in less than 2 days. So much that my family is literally asking, what the hell are you doing with your face? Why has your skin cleared up so much? And I used to suffer from PCOS. So my skin or my hair even did not used to be this healthy, but I've made them through affirmations, through repeatedly using the thought that I have a clear skin. So, how do you go about changing your beliefs about money? Pick an affirmation, whatever it is. Let's say you want to make $1,000 every single day, or whatever your ideal amount is, $500, $100, whatever feels good to you, not whatever feels possible. We are not trying to limit ourselves, whatever you desire. Take that amount of money and just start robotically affirming. I make $1,000 every single day. I make $1,000 every single day. I make $1,000 every single day. And when you initially start repeating this affirmation, your mind will come in there and start telling you this is not true. You don't make $1,000 every single day. You're not worth that much. Okay, just stop lying. And this is the time when, when your mind, your conscious brain is fighting against your affirmation, you have to persist. No matter what thought is coming to your mind, no matter what you're feeling, no matter what is going through, continue repeating this affirmation again and again and again and again. And I will tell you by experience that if you repeat your affirmation long enough, your conscious mind will start to stop trying to stop this affirmation. Your conscious mind will also start to accept this affirmation, and your subconscious mind has already accepted this affirmation. Continue affirming till this new thought reflects in your 3D reality. That is how an assumption is created. Repetition creates assumption. Keep repeating your affirmation again and again, again and again, again and again till it shows up. Because if you remember our discussion about why the law works, you know that your current 3D reality is a result of assumptions created by things you saw or things you heard every single day regarding whatever subject you're trying to manifest. Now let's quickly get on to love. Let's say you want to manifest your specific person and you want them to text you, propose you, love you, whatever it is that you want. Pick an affirmation. Let's say you want to manifest a text. My SP just cannot stop texting me. They just cannot stop texting me. They just have to text me every single moment. They cannot live without texting me. And your 3D will go, yeah, go ahead, check your phone. There is no text. And you'll be like, I don't care. My 3D does not matter to me. My SP is just texting me. They cannot stop texting me. They absolutely love texting me. They just have to text me. Just bring authority into your affirmations. Your 3D cannot, overcome you. You can overcome your 3D because you literally created it. You are the master of it. You created it through your assumptions and now you're changing your assumptions. So do not give up. Do not let up. Continue repeating. You want a proposal? My SP is proposing me. They have the perfect ring that I like, and they're proposing me. They're saying, or if you're trying to propose a girl, my girl is saying yes. She loves the ring that I bought for her. She's saying yes. If you're trying to get a guy to propose you, they're proposing to me. They have the perfect ring. They have found the most perfect ring and they just cannot wait to propose me right now. Keep repeating it. Do not let the story of the past come to your mind because the the more you keep repeating your past circumstances, the more they are going to manifest in your reality. Because when you are trying to shift from your past circumstances to the future you desire, your past circumstances hold more power over you than the idea of a new future. The thought of the new future, the thought of you making the money, your SP texting you, this is not a dominant thought right now. So if you give this thought that your SP doesn't love you or money is hard, any single piece of attention, it's going to take you. And it's going to take you back and you're going to start spiraling downwards. So do not do that. Continue repeating an affirmation. Continue repeating the thought and the affirmation of the reality that you now want to live. It works. If you continue repeating that affirmation, you will, in 5-10 minutes, you would have shifted so much that you would be thinking, oh, I was worried 5-10 minutes ago. What happened? It works. Give it a try, guys. Just start taking care of your internal conversation. It will change everything. Let's say you want to manifest the perfect grades. You want to manifest an all A's. It doesn't matter how much studies you have done, nothing matters. In fact, you can manifest all your test papers to have only what you've studied. It's possible, okay? I've seen it work. Use this affirmation. I always get straight A's in all my exams. I'm literally the best student. I literally know everything. Keep repeating this affirmation. Keep repeating it till it becomes an assumption. And when will you know that it has become an assumption? When you will start seeing it in your 3D, when you look at the question paper and realize that every single thing that you studied is on there. That's when you know the assumption has created. So do not worry about whether the assumption has been created or not. Go ahead, continue affirming. Let's say you want clear skin. I have clear skin. I have pale skin. I have the most beautiful skin. My skin is absolutely perfect. You want to change your eye color. I have blue eyes. You want to lose weight. I am 50 kgs in weight, whatever is your ideal weight. Do not let up. No matter what you do, continue persisting till it shows up. That's why the law works, because law of assumption literally means whatever you assume is your reality. So when your reality starts to reflect your new affirmation, you have succeeded. This is the law of assumption, guys. Do not overcomplicate it. It is simple. Choose the new reality that you want, affirm for it, because I like affirming. I find it easy. Affirm for it, persist till it shows up. It's done. It's very, very simple. So with this, I hope that this video gave you all the guidance you needed. If you have any specific question, any specific situation that I have not covered here and you want me to give specific affirmations for that, make sure to put your situation down in the comment. I mean, don't be very specific, but like maybe I have not given an example of how to grow healthy hair and you want to know that. So put that down in the comments. I will share the affirmations with you. If you want me to personally guide you, handhold you, help you manifest your desires, check the description box for the email package details. Make sure you like this video because I know that some bars were spit on this one. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. It helps my channel grow. Make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get notified about every new awesome video I put out. Make sure to comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you again soon. Happy manifesting, guys. I really, really know that you're going to get everything you want because now you know how it works. See you soon. Bye.